In this video, I'm going to show you how you can pause your search history on your YouTube channel. So pausing your search history, what this will do is when you search for a video or a channel, it won't be saved to your search history. So to do this, what you simply need to do is first of all open up YouTube. Once you have opened up YouTube, what you can do now is click on Library in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Once you click on Library, you now need to select History. And then when you select History, you can now click on the three dots in the top right hand corner. Once you click on the three dots, click on History Controls. And then as you can see, there will be an option now to pause search history. All you simply need to do is toggle on the option there, and then if you're happy, you can click on pause. And then as you can see, this will mean that your search history is now paused. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please remember to drop a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.